Hey, I want to thank Zero Odor for sending this for us to try. This is, they claim, laundry odor eliminator. What I love about this is it's not toxic. So I've got 3 little dogs. I'm always real careful about the things that I use around me and them. But it says that this works on a molecular level, not just covering over with a scent. So I can't wait to try this. I'm going to update and see. But the way that it works is it's got a flip top. So you just squirt out the amount that you need, 2 to 4 ounces, depending on how big your load is. And it goes right into the same dispenser as whatever laundry detergent you're using. So it's an add-on with that. We're going to try it because a lot of times my husband's shirts, my workout shirts, my towels, they just get that musky, stinky smell and it won't come out. So we're going to give this a try. Okay, honest review. I use this. These washcloths came out smelling fantastic. It had that mildew smell. I absolutely will be using this and we'll put it on subscription today. Very, very happy. This really, really worked for me.